But I've been saying this is a spot for the last, like, seriously, I worked for 8 years. I'm like, we need to get on the roof.
You wouldn't be able to see down.
This is the first year. No. I'm not kidding you.
No. They haven't been here for 8 years.
Been here for 8 years.
They've been down there on landing for the last fucking...
No, I'm just saying, like, in general, like, I mean, we can see the landing from here, too.
Yeah, there's no way you'd see the landing this good from here.
I just want to be up on the roof.
Well, that's just because we're not afraid of heights, and we really don't give a shit. Because Mom let us climb on the roof when we were little kids. I don't think you can make it.
Oh, yeah.
But if you tried and I said that, Mom would be mad.
I like the golf cart in the middle of the road down there. Just sitting there. Is that cold?
It might be. Don.
Yeah,
hugging it out. Don and Colb hugging it out.
Well, they're getting ready to argue again.
Well, yeah.
Round 5 is about to start.
Yeah, you can barely see it right over those trees right there. I don't even know if the park people can see that.
Come on, a little higher.
Get them up there.
I'll tell you what, the place to watch this is from the fucking deck of the golf course. That would be where to watch it. I think they're doing a special. They're having like a dinner thing.
Yeah, I heard that too.
Hey, Quazon, could you grab my beer right here next to me? You don't have to duck, dude. I'm way taller than you are.
You're so
No,
lucky
you're
I
not.
just didn't dump my whole
Shut
beer
up,
on
man.
top of your
So
head.
you're not.
It's because I put
Only a head and a half.
the game I play. When Don is present and John has a bottle of beer, that's going to be a bottle of beer. Drink and pay.
Is that when he just starts knocking people's beers out of their hands?
No, that's
No, that's Merritt. That's me, Merritt.
Oh. So I stayed on the roof and videotaped this. I should have done triceps today. I could barely hold my arms up. Still going working out, John?
No, not at all.
Canceling every day?
Suck it.
A lot of talking about it.
No. Talk about it.
That was it?
I got some